cancel your Quiltster subscription, log into Quiltster.com and go to your account page. At the top, you will see information about the current subscription plan you are paying for and when your next bill will be processed. To prevent this payment from going through, click Cancel Plan prior to this date, and then confirm your cancellation. And that's all you need to do. Your plan is now canceled. No further payments will be processed, and you have until your close date to use the quilt planner and access your projects. At this date, your subscription will be officially canceled. You will no longer have access to the quilt planner or your projects unless you resubscribe later. And that is how you cancel your Quiltster subscription. If you have any questions, email us at info@quiltster.com and we'll be happy to help.